After releasing a number of proper Nest Hub and Smart Display tailored games, Google has expanded the available titles by 10. But more importantly, they've added a new Games Hub for easier access, so we've gone hands-on to show you just what's new. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. As you may already know, Google is really pushing proper interactive experiences on Smart Display and Nest Hub hardware thanks to some changes made to the framework that handles on-screen visuals. Just a few months ago, we saw the first wave of Nest Hub display enhanced games roll out, but Google is committing to adding yet more, so now we have a new wave of titles to play that include on-screen hints, visual gameplay elements, and more on top. Just as previously, you can play the games via a combination of touch-based controls and voice commands, which will be ideal for children especially. To get started, all you need to do is say, "Hey Google, let's play a game." Now, this will launch a much more organised game hub with categories for popular, featured, and even multiplayer-focused titles. Thanks to the touch-enabled display, you can actually interact and play games by tapping the display too and make your selection, something that might make you much more inclined to fire up some of these latest titles. But here are the newest additions. If you're a puzzle fan, then crosswords are probably no great secret. Horizontal crossword is effectively just a fresher take on the classic newspaper staple. The game lets players say the correct answers or navigate through the words by giving voice commands, obviously. When all of the horizontal crosswords are correctly resolved, a vertical solution word is revealed. Game of Words is a simple word guessing game that has jumbled letters in a sort of Scrabble type format. We won't say it's the most entertaining, but the timer does make things a little bit more interesting, especially when you have to guess words with the letters on screen. Probably the most interactive voice-controlled side-scroller you'll likely play in the new cohort of Nest Hub games. Voice Quest sees you use your voice to control an on-screen minion with voice-specific attacks as you take on hordes of enemies, based upon the adventures of Merlin and Co. It's actually quite a blast to play and very much a lot of fun for all the family. Power of Words feels like a hybrid of numerous word games and a traditional JRPG turn-based combat game. It's a strange mixture that doesn't feel like it would fit as a Nest Hub title though, but it's actually quite addictive and harder than it may first seem. To help your cognitive skills, Daily Brain Trainer is like a condensed version of Dr. Kawashima's Brain Training, which was found on DS titles, but this one is far more simple. You just have to answer mathematical questions and quizzes in quick succession, and you're graded for your efforts. The problems do get harder and harder as you progress through those levels too. Brainwashed Puzzle is yet another memory enhancer game for your Nest Hub, although it is not available in all regions and we weren't actually able to try this for ourselves, but it should be rolling out slowly over the coming weeks. Think of My Smart Pet as like a choose-your-own-adventure style game that has you finding a pet within a forest. It's a little slow to get started, but would be ideal for young children wanting an interactive story that they can feel fully involved within. The animated cartoon animals will undoubtedly be very popular with younger children, we're sure. Another title that is not available in all regions just yet, Hey Fish, sees you create a virtual fishbowl where you can nurture these virtual pets from within. Daily Word Wheel is the first title from mobile gaming behemoth Zynga, and it's effectively a spin-off of the immensely popular Words with Friends and offers you the ability to tackle word puzzles and conundrums, but like some of the new other editions, isn't yet available in all regions, although this will roll out very soon. It's also important to mention that this isn't the most exhaustive list of games that you can play, as more and more are set to be added over the coming months as Google partners with top game developers such as Zynga to bring even more popular titles to your assistant-powered home speakers. Plus, we ourselves are unable to access some of those titles, as we mentioned, due to the regional rollout process. But with all of that said, have you tried any of these latest assistant games yourself? If so, which is your favourite? Be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. But until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.